be the one who's
and switch.
looking like a hurricane and everybody's just running and diving away.
That was a good call.
Here we go, call him out. 13!
Settle that. Pass it.
Slide middle, please. Isaac. The ball's on this side. I want you central. The ball. Who wants it? I need you. Kyle, that's the shit. Four. Corner kick. Look at Bruner. Slide middle.
Guys, they're gonna crash.
Oh.
Alright, Ethan, good try. Isaac, all the way, Isaac. All the way, Kevin. Push it, Zach. No, it came up against his hand. Right away, let's go. Good ball. Great ball, Miller. Pressure now. Call for it, Brady. Call for it, Brady. Too much.
Oh, Maverick. He was off.
Okay, good job. Very nice. Midfield there. Isaac, stay on.
Hey, we got a smaller shirt for Noah. He should put on a, if he's got a blue jersey, I don't know, I guess he's all right. Didn't look good. Looked like he was,
Herman, you're too deep.
Fight through.
Grady, get wide, Grady.
One time.
Good hustle. Good hustle. There you go. Good work.
Kyle, you gotta be trailing. You gotta be on him.
Grady, line.
Good. All right.
Pete, we gotta move it, bud.
yep, I believe it is. Put him on the bench. Yeah, I know.
Sub.
Midfield shot hat.
Pretty clear Anton had him in the wrong position last year. That's what I'm thinking.
Oh, love it.
That's a great ball, Kyle. Just wait till his jeans. One of these days, his jeans are going to kick in, and he'll be perfect.
he's going to get at least 1 goal. I'm hoping he gets at
Colin, call for the square.
I remember my half field goal.
I remember me scoring from the goal in the draft class.
Oh yeah.
Johnny.
No.
Jordan, give me some right defense for
Get on 13, please.
Call it. Tell him. Tell Josh he's out. Oh goodness. I don't know if I wanted that. Oh. Noah's padding his stats, that's all. Oh. Up. Sean, Maverick, Sean. Sean, that was a good spot, but you're offsides a lot, okay? Just slow down. That's a way to cover your man.
Be ready.
Nice. All day, Sean. Oh, that's a... Oh, I would have liked that. Almost, Sean.
Good dribbling, Sean. Work back, Jason. You gotta be back in
Too much
position.
space, bud. All the way. Keep going.
Okay.
Come on, Teddy. Stay. Get a little bit wider, Sean, in case it comes.
Yes, come. Big one. Yes. Good idea. That's the right idea.
Good work.
B, no turn.
Get it off.
Is that a, yeah. It's a corner. Who is this?
You got a few right?
Yep. Somebody's at, shoot. Lance, or, Adam, take the corner. Somebody with a big kick.
Yeah, three. Jordan, you know.
Who's my garbage man?
3.
Lance, it's a good chance it's coming to you. Get in tighter.
Our ball, AC. Here we go. Hey, Kevin, out here.
Go!
Get it to him.
Oh!
Kevin, get up now.
It's not, I had my big kicker and that's not exactly what I wanted. I wanted him to, if I knew we were doing 3, I wouldn't have had Lance, or,
Adam, take it.
yeah. I don't know.
He should have just went right back to Jordan. Jordan was just
Yeah,
had
oh
all
no,
the
he's,
space there.
yeah. Well, hey, we got a lot of good video here. We can talk to him about things if we want.
All the way up.
Hey, Sean, crash that every time.
Big one. Isaac, be ready. Quickly, guys. Come on. Dominant. Let's go.
He got blocked. When Jamie came out, he got blocked. When
Dominic,
they
you
got
gotta
there at the same
stop.
time,
Dominic, you have to stop.
Maverick, Sean. There you go.
Woods, you got 6. Switch. You need to switch. Thank you.
He was off.
But I thought Josh was good.
We'll review the camera.
Your ball.
Brian, how'd your game go this morning?
Very well.
Did you win?
With the lost guy, please.
You guys? Holy smokes.
All right.
Well, I told them if they shot, they lost the team. So it was 3-1, 7-2.
Wait, is that Chicha's team?
No, my little guy. Finn's team.
Noah. No, only if you're white. There's a guy. Be careful in the call.
Who's on that? Whose team is
Jordan, don't fall asleep.
who's the
Louis, he would be on that team, but he's playing for PA Rex this year.
He's
He's good. When he tried out, we didn't have a coach for our team yet.
Right.
And so he said, if there's no coach, I don't want to play. So we went to PA Rush. He's very good.
Count, Ethan.
PA Rush's team is unbelievable.
Oh, come on. Maverick. Maverick.
Sean, get out of there, Sean, you're off.
He's good.
All right.
John,
give Jason room so you come wide. You might throw a defender with him, right?
You got to drop.
Easy play, bud.
Oh, that's a good ball. Says it.
Watch it.
That's good. I like that.
Yeah, it's nice.
I feel one of the worst things is when I up in the camera, I don't even get back. But this is good job, Ethel.
Just like mine. He hit it, went in.
There's a one right away, almost.
I'm going Buffalo Wild Wings.
let's switch.
Ryan.
Yes, a good place.
It's your turn, Sean. What? That's it.
Go, Josh!
Oh!
All right. Sean, pay attention. Come on. Get back.
Zach, quickly.
Sean,
Good, Zach.
you knew you were off. What are you doing? Come on. Let's go.
It's like, get wide, Sean. Or no, actually, that's a good spot. That's a good spot. You got a good man.
Sean, you're all sides right now. Come on, keep going, keep going. Don't make it close.
I run toward 14.
All right, player down. Behind you.
Wrap down.
All right.
Grab a knee, guys.
Brady. Give me a little deeper,
Sean,
okay?
I think you're looking at the player on an angle, so it looks like you're on side. Remember the shape of the field. Get further up, so that you're clearly on side. Run at the player. We'll run behind him once the ball is played.
Brady, you go in center mid.
All right, be careful now.
Brady.
Just now? No, his whole body was all set.
That's like a drop off boat, can't put it up.
Jordan.
Brady, your center midfield.
If I could get my other forwards, though, to stay up here like Sean, I really, that would be good.
The ball went on top.
That's a problem I already have.
Oh, Sean.
No, get out of there, Sean.
Go, Kyle, the whole way.
All the way, take a shot.
Take it!
Good take, Kyle.
All right, yeah, Brady needs to run.
Sean, all sides again.
You got land.
You're too anxious, right? You got to hold your spot. Okay?
Sean, I got an idea. Come wider and run like this. Try that. Just for now on, start wider, and then you can watch the man in front of you. Maybe that'll work. Go ahead and get up on 14 now, though.
If the ball's in front of you, you can move up, bud.
Yeah, get ready to jump it. Get ready to jump it, Sean. There it is.
You got help.
Oh, I like it. Kyle, take the corner. Let's go 4. 4. Danny, why don't you, that's good. You be the top of the circle, Danny. You're the cannon. This is 4, Kyle. 4, 4, 4.
Justin, you got 13.
I'm sorry.
Okay, sorry.
Nice. Oh, a hard back.
Isaac, right by him, right by him.
You're onside, Ryan.
Nice try there, Sean.
Keep going, keep going, keep going. That's a great ball.
Sean.
Grady, got it down here, Grady.
Hold. Good.
Get back, Sean. Now get wide, Sean.
Hey, Sean. Sean, like Coach Bart says, run across the field on that, okay? When you get to that ball, then cut it.
Stop! Sorry, Danny.
If, let's see. We got 13 minutes to get one here. Let's see what happens.
Sean, up to the line. To the line, Sean. Hold there now.
Oh, shit.
George.
Sean.
Go, George.
Now you good.
He did that on purpose. Get wide, Sean. Get wide, Sean. Out here, Sean. Get out here. You're off. Boys. Boys. Ethan. Sean Iceberg.
Just cover, Sean. Keep walking. They walk out, you walk out.
Oh, here comes the cross. You got it, buddy. Oh, that's a pretty good ball.
Go, Justin, go.
He signed up for shooting clinic. Didn't start yet. No, watch yourself. Orange. Kick wall, bud. Play World Cup all the time. Kick wall.
Short. That's tough.
Justin, get in there. Strikers. Strikers. Isaac, Kevin. Crash those posts. Elijah,
Don't run past that line.
Dominic behind you.
Ryan should be blocking it.
Yeah, Ryan, get up there and block it. Up.
Ryan and Kyle, switch.
Aim for the penalty spot, please. Good ball.
Oh.
Dominic behind.
Get wide, Sean. Out here, Sean.
Stop. Got your guys. Got your guys. So Colin, yeah, Grady. Yep.
Grady.
Elijah. Dom.
Good job, Don.
Colin, you're back.
Good job,
And
Grady.
Shane, you're going to be back, okay? You're going to be... Throw it, and then you're going to go fullback. Woods, be ready. Get there, get there.
Stay. Just stay here. Stay here.
Yeah, and switch.
Stay here. Stay here.
Ethan off.
Stay here. Now run across the line.
Go, go, go.
Sean, you're off.
Thank you.
Oh, he stayed. He stayed.
Go.
Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Oh, come on. Do something. Make it move.
Guys, guess what? It's
Hey, listen.
Sean, you put your arm out.
Nicely done. Oh, good ball.
Go in, go in, go in.
Well played, boys.
Stay up, stay up, stay up.
Midfielder, Kyle.
Oh, here it comes.
Josh.
Good ball. Isaac, stay on. Not any closer than the other one.
Isaac, gotta be careful. Hang back. Bad one here.
Just gotta stay back. Isaac.
No. Only on throw-ins and throw-ins and goal kicks.
If they're on the sideline.
Now run across the front of the forwards. Right now, Sean, start running to the middle. That's it, to the middle. No, sideways. There you go, go to it.
Got there. Who's got him?
All right, cool.
Take your time. Great thought. Stay, both of you, stay right, stay there, stay there. Quickly, Kyle. Quickly, right. Go, to the goal, to the goal, to the goal.
Sorry, Ryan. I thought you were asking for a stop.
Save those, Zach. Hey, man up.
Get on it. What's the matter, Ed? That's okay. Oh, is it? You think it's off? Oh, it's hard to see. Was it? Yeah. We'll review the tape and mail it to the... That's it. Good job, Sean. Danny, come this way. All right, move to the middle, Sean. Oh, Danny. These guys, we got to fix that spot in the field.
All of our left forwards are stepping on the ball.
Danny was saying that ball's really strong, so
Oh.
he's getting stuck under their foot.
Oh.
It sounded, when I heard the goalie punt, it sounded like there's no air in it.
Huh. That would explain Jordan's kick.
Yeah.
Gosh, 7-0. That's awesome.
We ended up winning 7-2 because
Yeah.
I told the kids, I said, did you guys shoot? We're done.
I tell you, Noah's a smart goalie.
He is smart.
Yeah. Danny was just unlucky today.
I heard John told me what happened.
Uh-oh. Oh.
Your little guys play this morning?
They're playing right now.
Oh, are they?
Up in, not Perky, up above Naka-Mixon.
Oh, okay.
Hey, strikers, where are you?
Oh, yeah. Running around saying, I'm the referee. That was funny.
Jason, move to the middle. Be a weapon. That's it. Turn and try to take it.
I need in-game refreshment.
Nice.
Justin, get wide. Get wide.
We could take all of
All right, out to the line, Sean. Oh, now play.
Get back. Right away.
That'd be awesome if there was
That's it.
I would if we had a full
Nice angle. Oh.
Come in and take that space.
It's
Wide
right?
open.
Lay that ball down.
I wouldn't even change it.
Good switch. Lovely ball.
Isaac, get onside.
Whoa. They're going to catch him. Noah's going to get caught in a second here. Well, yeah. So they shoot it high and
Yeah, if you're like on offense and there's not enough people on offense, just teleport to defense. Then it's a 6, teleport to
stay.
There he is.
Now pass it over, pass it over.
Too fast, Sean.
Oh! How many is that? Guys, let's go.
Kyle, left forward.
Dude, there's no shot.
Oh, sure glad that did not hit that kid.
Certainly not something I want to get in front of. But his size, he made some nice moves.
Yeah, no, he's very good with his feet.
Yeah.
And being that tall.
Could you hit it a little harder next time?
No. Then it was going to go on.
Good job, Danny.
Then it would have been. I'll put a hole through the net next time, man. That was. How did you smash?
Isaac. With purpose.
I shouldn't have.
Man, boys are thirsty for goals here.
Yeah, it's funny, I was cleaning my office today and I had all the old pictures.
Speaking of pictures, I was in the clubhouse yesterday getting passes. I added 2 girls to the girls team.
Dude, I know.
We have all these team pictures laying out on the table. Maddie walked over. Picture of my girls team from the first year they played, sitting on the table.
Oh, that's
What's this doing laying around? Frank's like, oh, it's been sitting here for years. So she picked it up. It was cool.
Oh god, oh god, oh god. And right when you shot it.
Oh.
Yeah, 3 girls on the team still.
Did you guys ever see
All right.
Good talking, guys.
That was so much worth it.
that goalie is just like...
At least you got it.
It's probably going to be what...
So use a cross next time, Kyle. Good hustle, bud.
Good line, son.
Finish on. Head on.
That's it. To the court. Look. Oh.
Good line, son.
Get on back, get on back. Get on back.
Brady, take his kick, Brady.
Son, you're up, bud.
Everyone on the 18 except Brady. Actually, you know what? Let Lance take it. Let Lance take it. Take it, Lance. I'm sorry, Brady.
Yeah, Brady, get back to the spot. Brady, don't get there.
Go and run it across, right? Straight across, not to the goal, straight across.
Alright,
Across.
Shoot, Teddy. Yeah, Teddy.
Up. Whoa. Whoa. Outside. Outside. No. Ref. That was on the outside. Hey, ref. It hit the outside of the goal. I think.
Hey, goalie, did that thing go through, did it? No, I think it's a goal kick. Hit the outside of the net.
What do we got, Zach? Outside or in?
Teddy, did it go in?
He had to go around to get the ball.
Yeah.
I know, but it could have gone.
Well.
I don't think there's a hole there.
All right. I'm sorry.
Okay, but
How'd it go in?
first goal ever.
I know. All right. Well, it was.
Yeah, but we don't want to be a mean
warming up, I saw
team.
Noah have to go around and get a ball that went in.
I mean, we go check the net. It's impossible.
It doesn't have anything to like hold
Yeah,
it
it
down.
goes through.
So it
I mean,
goes
Teddy knows he
under
scored.
through. Yeah, on that goal.
All right.
It doesn't have any like sandbags to hold it down. It just
All right.
Teddy's reaction.
It sure did look like it came on this side of the. All right. We'll see. We got to.
How did it get out from that angle? There's no way it should have.
The ref probably saw it too.
Yeah, I mean, he wasn't going to take it back.
Sorry, I don't know.
How'd that feel?
really good.
Good stop, Josh.
You're good.
I was like in the zone.
So get wider, Sean.
Like on deep.
Yeah, come on.
Like deep.
No. Leave him. Now you support him behind now.
Like that, like pumping. That
Good
pumping.
take,
It
Lance.
was. Oh, was he all right?
Come on, Lance.
Brady back.
That was good.
We were winning 7-4.
No, it's 8.
Yeah, because I scored one and Teddy scored one.
Plus Jason.
No, you just pass it up.
Jason,
Told Josh
Adam,
not to pass
and
that
me.
close field either. Lance, no more passing the midline, okay?
I know, I said
Just pass it up.
Oh yeah, Jason scored. I forgot about 4, 5,
and then 6.
Andrew, go middle.
7. Yeah, I'm right.
1.
Hurry up, Brady, all the way up. All the way up.
Got a game tomorrow, dude.
They come and visit us in 2 weeks, I think. Yeah.
I'd have you in for Sean by now, but this is a good opportunity for him, right?
Yeah.
It will be a harder game tomorrow.
I'd like to see all these leagues with 11 teams instead of.
The team we're playing, they were actually the Division 3 thing only has 5.
Oh gosh.
So it's a really strange schedule. We have 6 home games. The team we play today, we never have to go to their
Defense,
field.
you
They come
gotta
to us
stay
twice.
there.
Okay.
It doesn't make any sense. Upper Dublin has 7 home games out of their 10 games. 7 home games.
And I bet your away games were probably in Timbuktu or something.
Actually, it's not bad.
Not bad?
We go to Deep Run, Upper Dublin twice, and Montgomeryville. That's it.
Good job, Hurricanes.
7-2, people. Teddy!
All right.
All right, we shake hands and say good game.
7-2, people. Good job. I go second. Oh, I know.
Guys, remember Fist bump ref. Tell him good job after the game.
Good job, buddy. Good job, BJ. Good luck. Well done.
Well done.